I'm Latasha McDowell, your real estate expert here in Tallahassee, Florida. Oftentimes you ask me, what questions do I need to ask a lender when I'm in the process of searching for a home? First, let's address the first thing. Number one, you should check with at least 3 lenders within a 14-day window. That way, when the lenders are actually pulling your report, it's going to be pulled under one credit type, so you will only have one hit on your credit bureau report, one inquiry. That's first. The second thing, when you're talking to lenders and you're trying to figure out whom you should apply with and whom can possibly offer you the best loan, there are a top 5 questions that I would ask. Question number 1, what type of loans do you offer? Do you offer FHA? Do you offer conventional? Do you offer VA? Do you offer USDA? Because there's basically 4 loan types and different products that lenders offer on top of those loan types. That's the type of questions that you would ask. The second question is, what would my interest rate and annual percentage rate be? That will really affect how much you're paying each month on your mortgage. Next question, which would be the third question, do I qualify for any special programs or discounts? This is very important, especially when we're talking about, how much you're going to be bringing to the closing table, which directly leads me into my next question. What will be the estimated closing costs? Not only ask what will be the estimated closing costs, also ask if there are any lender credits that can be given to you to help towards the closing. That's a pretty critical piece that a lot of people miss out. Can you offer me any assistance, or are you affiliated with any programs that can offer me assistance? That will save you so much money and so much time. Also, what's very important, and probably one of the most important questions of them all, is what's your processing time? How responsive are you? Because if you have a question for your lender, or if your realtor is sending a lender a contract, you need to know exactly how quickly they can process your loan, because that will be a critical piece when your realtor is putting in an offer on your behalf. So let's go over our questions again. Recap. What types of loans do you offer? What interest and annual percentage rate will you be offering me? Do I qualify for any special programs or discounts? What are the estimated closing costs? Do you have any credits that can be offered to me? And what's your average processing time? This is another video in the series of a first-time home buyer. I'm Latasha McDowell, your real estate expert here in Tallahassee, Florida. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. There's my number. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, here's my website. Thanks for stopping by.